Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 83, course schedule 2, 1 I have already done, and this is medium level question, which basically means graph question, and a medium level question is a tough question. Okay, it's an easy question actually, not that tough, but still challenging question. So this is the solution, and oh, quite a lot of submissions. Okay, no, this is not wrong submission. I don't even write full and you automatically got submitted anyways. So this is the best submission. Not the optimal one, but still okay. So thank you for watching the video, and I will keep doing the question and posting the solutions.